Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be installing the UV Gen Film by Whitestone Dome for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. As you can see, we got full response, full clarity, full coverage. It does work with that in-display fingerprint sensor, and it is a hard-coated film screen protector, almost feeling like glass. It does give you that glass type feel. As you can see, we got adhesive curing by UV light. Now, this process is going to be a little bit more simple than when installing their glass screen protector. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I do recommend setting everything up, having it ready to go before you get started, and also make sure your device is powered off, and also try to make sure you are in a dust-free environment. So the first thing we are going to do is clean our display. Of course, you want to get it clean. You don't want any fingerprints on there, any oils, anything like that. So we'll go ahead and take our wet cloth, just wipe it down, get it nice and clean. Now keep in mind, I am doing this behind a camera and not the most dust-free environment, but I am going to do the best that I can here. There we go. Go ahead and move that over to the side, and then we can go ahead and dry it. Just give it a quick wipe down. There we are. Now you are going to see two pieces here. So this is going to be the stopper. There is a strip that you're going to want to pull out in the back of it, and you just place it. It'll stick to either your desk, your counter, wherever you're going to be doing this. It'll stick it there because what it's going to do is stop your device from slipping forward like that. And then we also have this piece down here, which is like a USB Type-C adapter, which you can stick into the charging port of this device just like that, as you see there. All right, let me go ahead and place this down. I'm gonna already put it against the stopper. Then we're gonna take our dust absorbing sticker and just go over the display just to make sure there's no dust particles or anything like that. You do not want any dust under the screen protector, or else it will leave air bubbles. So I'm gonna get it the best I can. Like I said, I am doing this behind camera, so I'm gonna do the best I can here. Make sure there's no dust. Oh, I thought my device was powered off. I guess I was wrong. All right, there we go. Now we got it powered off. I do recommend getting it powered off. That way your display isn't constantly turning on the entire time you're doing this, because you want to be able to see if there are any air bubbles or dust particles or anything like that. So that's looking pretty good there for me. Oh, I see one more piece of dust right there. Like I said, I'm not in the most dust-free environment. There we go. Okay, so now what we want to do is take our screen protector, turn it over. You're going to see a part that says back. You're going to want to peel that off. Just like that, as you see there. Turn it over. Now we are going to align the bottom with that adapter down at the bottom. There's two holes down at the bottom there, as you can see, and you put it right onto the adapter, and this is going to help us line this screen protector up perfectly. And then that top part, you can go ahead and line it up with the camera hole up top. That way you ensure you get it nice and center. And let's see, just a little bit right there. That is looking good for me. Go ahead and just apply a little bit of pressure. And then we can go ahead and take our squeegee, which I had set over to the side over here. This also comes in the box, but you're gonna take the squeegee and just kind of push out as many air bubbles as you can. This is not the final step. The air bubbles that you are seeing here are not from the actual screen protector itself, but you still want to try to push out as many as you can. There we go. Now at this point, we can go ahead and take out that adapter down at the bottom, so we can lift the bottom part up, just slide it right out just like that. Let's go and take the squeegee again, push out what we can. All right, that's looking pretty decent to me right there. Okay, so now what we are going to do is take our squeegee, hold it right here down towards the middle. I like to hold it right under the words that say paste start line. I like to hold it right under those words, and then you're gonna pull, not the part that says front, but this middle part up here, you're gonna pull that back, fold it back until you see that bottom part pop out, and then you're going to push forward, just like that. Boom. And then just kind of get air bubbles out just like that, and then we're gonna turn the phone around, put the bottom piece towards the top, and do the exact same thing. Hold it right under the words right there, pull back, and push forward. And this should be aligned really good. Go ahead and push out any air bubbles if you see any there. Let me turn this back around. In the middle right here, you can kind of just go over it lightly, because there will be a slight line. It kind of looks like an air bubble. So you just kind of want to go over it. You can even go sideways if you would like to. Let's see, that's looking pretty good for me there. All right, so once you feel you do have all the air bubbles out, because you don't really want to use this squeegee over the actual screen protector itself, you can possibly leave lines. But once you have all of the air bubbles out, now what we can do is just peel this front part back. Boom, look at that. A great installation right there, looking really, really good. Now at this point, we are going to take our UV light, and as you can see at the top, it says 1 hold will give us 15 seconds, 2 holds will give us 60 seconds. So we're gonna do a 60 seconds on the top, middle, and the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and, whoops, press it twice just like that and let the 60 seconds start. Now, as this is running its course, I wanna give a big thanks and shout out to the sponsors of today's video, i-blason. As you can see, I got their armor box case right here, which we are actually going to be trying on the Galaxy S23 Plus here in a bit once this is all done to see how compatible it is with this screen protector right here. That way we can get the most protection possible. Not only protection from this super protective case itself, but also protection for that front display as well with this screen protector. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to see just how compatible this case is with this screen protector right here. And I also have a link for this case and the many others that they have available down in the description below. So that was 60 seconds at the top. Let's go ahead and do 60 seconds in the middle. And then I'll be back when I finish up my 60 seconds at the bottom. All right, so that was 60 seconds at the top, middle, and bottom. Let's take a close look at it. Let's see how well I did. And I think we're looking pretty good. I don't see any air bubbles at all. It's got a nice clean look to it. Feels good as well. Almost does feel like you have a glass screen protector on this device. Let me go ahead and power it on so we can see how the responsiveness works, and we'll also test out that in-display fingerprint sensor as well. So the phone is all powered on, as you can see here, and ready to go. And if I'm being honest, I mean, this screen protector actually feels pretty great on this device. As you can see, it responds well, no problems at all. Let's go ahead and check out that in-display fingerprint sensor. Boom, look at that. Look at how fast that works. Boom. One more time. Boom. And it almost feels like I am using a glass screen protector. But let's go ahead and try out the cases by our sponsors of today's video. Like I said, this is their popular armor box case. And this case actually comes in a lot of other cool colors. So if you do find yourself interested in this case, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below so you can pick one up for yourself in one of these cool colors that you see here. But let's go ahead and put it on this device. So this is actually a 2-piece case. And it also comes with another front piece that has a built-in screen protector as well. So we'll be trying this out as well. That way we get that double protection for the display. But they also give us this piece without the built-in screen protector in case we do want to use our own screen protector. So let's go ahead and throw this on. You're gonna wanna start off with the top piece here, just like that. And then we can go ahead and take the back part, and then you're gonna wanna slide the bottom in first, just like that, and then push it up at the top. Make sure it's on all the way around the sides, and boom, just like that, it is on the device, and it looks like it is working well with this screen protector. It doesn't look like it's peeling it up or anything like that. Look at that, all the way around the edges, the corners. I can hit it. Let's see if we hit it in the corners, if that's gonna do anything. And no, the screen protector is still on there, nice and secure. So definitely compatible with this screen protector right here from Whitestone Dome. Like I said, the UV Gen film. Now going to the back of the case here, you can see it has a really cool rugged look to it. You got some nice protection for the cameras there, a nice deep cutout. Also comes with a kickstand as well. So if you want to watch movies or maybe play games, if you're using a controller to play games on your device, or you can even stand it up just like that. You can also use it as a pop socket if you want, and then just slaps right back in just like that. You got some nice grip all the way around the sides to help prevent it from slipping out of your hands. Got some good cutouts there. Going down to the bottom, you got precise cutouts as well for that speaker and microphones. And you also got a little flap right here to protect that charging port from getting any dust in there. But overall, very cool looking, very great protective case. I've actually done a drop test with this case on the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and that phone still came out looking like brand new. This case definitely did its job at protecting that device. You can see we got some nice raised edges actually all the way around the device. So if you happen to accidentally drop it flat on a flat surface like that, it should protect that display. But this also comes with a 360-degree holster as well, as you can see here. So for those of you who are into that type of thing, you can clip it on your belt, a bag, your pants. As you can see, Goes all the way around like that if you really wanted it to. Now let's go ahead and try it out really quick with this other front piece right here. So with this, you do have to peel off the inside part to ensure that it does work with that in-display fingerprint sensor. And it just slaps right on just like that. There we go. And then you're gonna wanna apply pressure right there. Oh, look at that. Worked good as you can see there. But let me go ahead and throw in this back part right here so we can get those buttons working. There we go. Let's try this again. Boom. One more time. Boom. Oh, missed it right there. Boom. All right, so for the most part, it does look like it works with that in-display fingerprint sensor. So you can just see it missed just one time there. Look at that, but it does work perfectly with that in-display fingerprint sensor. So if you want the maximum protection, get this case and use that pre-installed screen protector that comes with this case, along with the Whitestone Dome screen protector, and bam, you got that double protection for that display. So there you have it, the Whitestone Dome UV Gen film for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. And if you do find yourself interested in this screen protector right here, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below so you can check one out for yourself. But if you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.